The lion, equipped with incredible reflexes and the ability to pounce and climb with ease, could be considered the Spider-Man of the animal world. Just like Spider-Man, the lion uses its agility and web-like maneuverability to swiftly navigate its environment, making it a natural fit for the role. The lion, with its sleek and dark mane, evokes the spirit of the Black Panther, exuding a sense of grace, stealth, and regal authority. Similar to the Black Panther's agility and ability to blend into the shadows, the lion possesses a combination of strength, speed, and camouflage, making it a formidable predator in its own right. When provoked, the lion unleashes a display of raw power, demonstrating immense strength and ferocity, much like the Hulk, with its ability to roar, charge, and overpower its adversaries. The lion embodies a force of nature that resembles the incredible strength of the Hulk. The lion, with its majestic and regal demeanor, represents the animal kingdom's Iron Man, exuding a sense of power and sophistication. Just like Iron Man's advanced suit, the lion's impressive physical attributes, intelligence, and strategic hunting techniques make it a formidable and technologically advanced predator. The lion, known for its sharp, retractable claws and tenacious nature, mirrors the ferocity and resilience of Wolverine in the animal world. Just like Wolverine's ability to withstand formidable challenges and fiercely defend its territory, the lion exemplifies an indomitable spirit and an unwavering determination. With its majestic and thunderous roar, the lion channels the mighty presence of Thor, symbolizing power and dominance in the animal kingdom. Just as Thor wields his enchanted hammer, Mjolnir, the lion's sharp claws and powerful jaws serve as its own formidable weapons, embodying the strength and ferocity of the god of thunder. The lion, with its untamed and unpredictable nature, embodies the wild and irreverent spirit of Deadpool in the animal kingdom. Similar to Deadpool's witty and unconventional approach to challenges, the lion's playfulness and fearless attitude make it a captivating and unpredictable force in its habitat. The lion possesses extraordinary strength, speed, and agility, making it a natural contender for the title of the animal kingdom's Superman. With its majestic presence and fearless nature, the lion embodies a symbol of power and dominance, akin to the legendary superhero, Superman.